So here is PixelCut app, and it's a super popular app which is really powerful, and some of the features include background remover, magic eraser, where you can erase some objects and then you can just also do like a batch edit to a lot of photos, just like remove background in bulk photos. And then, here you can see that there is a free trial, 3-day free trial, then $59.99 per year or $4.99 per month. And then, of course, I just want to try out like the free app actually. Here are some templates. Also, you can generate AI avatars here. You can make a profile photo. You can create animated stories, AI photo shoot. So all of these things, you can just do it. And there are so many new features like Magic Writer. So that's another feature here. But okay, let's just try the basic things. So I want to remove this object. I want to show you as an example. Here is just an example. I have a coin and I want to remove this coin from this photo. Just like the very simple background, but and then here you just have slide to remove background, and you just can easily do that. Or I can try eraser, erase anything in your image just by dragging your finger over it. So here I can select the brush size, which is like this, and then I can just brush it over. I only have one touch. If I take my finger out of it, then it will be gone. So there you have it, super powerful. And then I can also just replace. So that's what you can do here, and then you can just tap share. Okay, undo. Also you can just slide to remove background, and then you will see how it looks like. It instantly identifies that background, and even if the coin has like a hole inside of it, it also captures that. Of course, this is like a super easy example. It doesn't have all these complicated backgrounds like you would have like mountains or some like landscape or some other people, but it's super easy to use app and super powerful. Then you can remove the background on 50 images at once using batch edit. So you can also do that. So these are like 3 main features: removing background, removing any object from your photo, or batch editing multiple photos. So this is like why this app got so popular and is in the top charts. But now they're adding more other features. So here you can just create your own AI avatar. So to do that, you need to upload at least 10 images of yourself, and PixelCut will generate 100 unique AI avatars. It will take at least an hour for the AI to generate your avatars. We'll send you a notification. So here you just have some examples what you can use here. Some good examples, like, so it should be only photo of yourself, not many people, just good lighting, good angle, but also all like try to use photos with different emotion, sad, smiling, just not the same face all the time, because then your AI avatars will be repetitive. Don't include other people, nothing covering your face, no children, and photos will be deleted as soon as avatars are ready. So here's, for example, I have like a selfies album. It's not the best photos example, but I will just show you like what it can look like. So you need to have at least 10 selfies. And then it just takes time. And I'm also curious to see what is the price in here. Usually you need to pay additional price for AI avatars. Something like that. And then so if you want to get 100 AI avatars, you need to pay $5.99. You will get 100 personalized avatars in 25 different styles that you can use anywhere you have a profile. So you can just purchase for $5.99. Or you can save 50% with the pro version. So yeah, why is it paid? Creating AI avatars is very expensive due to the high computational power required. However, we made it as affordable and quick as possible. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So you also will need to upgrade here, but it's cool that you can do it in the app. So here you can also just another feature apart from it in PixelCut app where you can generate product description. Let AI write a product description for you. So for example, product name, pencil, and then I can just see what's this pencil is perfect for any creative project. You can draw pictures with precision and accuracy, making it great for sketching, drawing, and writing. The lid is strong and durable, so it's pretty cool. And yeah, nice. I can probably just use it in some ad or I don't know on my website. Of course, it will require additional review by the person. So yeah, and then you can see there are more and more tools adding every time to this app, which is super powerful. So two new ones is a Magic Writer, AI avatars, batch edit, remove background, Magic Eraser, AI photo shoot, blank project, AI outline, Magic replace. So you can see here. Then there are some templates. I don't know, like what. So then you can also, by the way, you can earn cutouts if you invite friends to earn free cutouts. So that's what you can do as well. Just yeah, if you want to extend your free trial a bit, you still can do that. So this is my invitation code WX98UA, which you can use. Make a profile photo. That's also okay. Whatever. Let's try this. So anyways, I'm just exploring here free version, but maybe I will actually upgrade. When the last time I opened this app, there weren't that many features here. It's like pretty cool. And then here you can also generate stories for your Instagram, for your Facebook, AI photo shoot, create infinite product photos super fast. So then, yeah, for example, you're having some like Instagram shop or something like that, and you just want to have really nice backgrounds like of your product. You're selling something, and then yeah, you can easily just generate this AI photo shoot and really nice looking photos of your product. Just also really nice. Or you are selling some merch, some t-shirts, so what you can do here, eBay listings. Here you can also create collages. So there are of course templates for social media, pastel templates, burst templates, gradients, which you can also do that. Happy Halloween sales, community templates. All of these you can actually just generate. Yeah, and a lot of these additional images. So pretty powerful, pretty amazing app. Like yeah, no question why it's actually in the top charts right now. Anyways, if you want to upgrade to PixelCut Pro, here you can see the option 3-day trial, and that's pretty cheap actually, $4.99 per month or $59.99 per year. So I would say that is still actually for this powerful app because there are so many apps, like just a single AI avatar generator app can cost like $10 per month just to create AI avatars. Here you just have it one of like 10 features. So it's definitely a good choice to use this app. It's pretty powerful, and as I said, I was doing videos of this app like a year ago or something, and now it's pretty advanced and it improved a lot. There are so many new features, so super cool. And then yeah, you can customize app icon, you can change appearance, you can see your account, you can easily delete your account actually. So that's basically the idea. Yeah, if you want to remove watermark, unfortunately you need to upgrade. So that's what we can see here. Super interesting app. There is also PixelCut for teams. Invite up to 10 team members to access PixelCut Pro for only $49.99 per month. Yeah, and yeah, I think that's actually pretty cool because this app is so powerful. As you can see, you can use it on your online shop. You're like selling some swag and stuff like that. Like if you have a team for that, why to do it on Photoshop or anything if you can just quickly, easily do it here? So super interesting. That's the app. Hope you like this overview. Hope you like the idea, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.